Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we're going to be checking out some very sexy, very demure hairstyle ideas. First up, we have this super cute pixie style. She's got a shaggy pixie here. I love the overall shape and texture, bangs in the front. It's just such a stunning haircut. Absolutely adore it. Next up, we have another haircut transformation. So this is like a very 90s inspired bob. Does feature the bangs going there in the front. And then we have a color change. So she ended up with this beautiful blonde old money style bob with the curtain bangs. And then here we have someone who has hair just past their shoulders. So she ended up going shorter here. She has the curtain bangs as well. Beautiful layers with this cut. And it looks like she did get a little bit of color as well. She did more of like a light highlighted look. I would say this is more of like that baby light trend. Very cute style. Ooh, pixie makeover for the next one. More of that shaggy pixie look yet again. This one just features a different overall cut. Here we have someone, she's got some grown out color here. Looks like she's in for, I would say, a cut refresh and maybe some color. Ooh, I love the messy chicness behind the style. Beautiful peachy color that she has here. She has a very thick head full of hair. Next up, we have another cut refresh. So she has a bob. The stylist is just kind of going shorter, cleaning up the line. Very nice. Beautiful, simple, and chic bob style. So here is that same stylist. I'm really liking their work. So here we have someone who has hair around mid-length. Ooh, she went red. Beautiful layers. And the color is more of like that burgundy tone. The highlights really just add some nice volume to the strands. I mean, overall, this is just such a trendy look with the color and then the layers. Very pretty style, especially for the fall season. Next up, here is that same stylist yet again. So he's doing a color refresh here. I like that this stylist is able to work with like all ethnicities and do like these beautiful colorings for, you know, the person's complexion. This particular client does get some layers too with her style, and she has this beautiful blonde, perfect for her skin tone. Very nice. And here we have a blonde Pixie, so she is also getting a cut refresh here. I love when the Pixies have the bangs going there in the front. It really frames the face quite nicely. And it also plays into that 90s aesthetic, I feel like. What's nice about this cut too is that it does make the cheekbones pop. Wow, so cute. A nice amount of choppy layers throughout the cut, creating a nice thickness to the strands. So here we have someone. Looks like she has, I was going to say grown out color, so she does get a color refresh on that platinum. I think it was like a couple of weeks ago, but someone was saying that platinum hair is not in right now, and I completely disagree. Like, I am seeing a ton of platinum colored strands these days, and the thing about the platinum is that it doesn't matter what your complexion is. Like, you can rock this look out and look gorgeous. I've seen it on the fairest complexions. I've seen it on the darkest. Like, it is just such a forgiving and giving color, and a lot of women just make it work. I think the key though is definitely rocking it if you have like shorter hair. It looks best to me on shorter heads of hair. But this is a really cute Pixie. I love the texture that it has. Creates a nice amount of height through the crown area. And of course, that platinum color is just superb. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all of these cute hairstyles, these very demure looks that you can rock out this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.